This is my Predator 3200 generator. I bought it probably already 6 years ago, and I wanted to run about a gallon of fuel through it every year just to make sure it's running and to break in the engine and the generator brushes. I think it says in the manual run a bunch of hours on part load. So I believe the left receptacles and the right receptacles are different brushes or armatures on the generator. Each one gives you up to 1600 watts each side, is how I understand it. So I was running the space heater on half because I think it's a 1500 watt space heater. So I ran it on low heat to give me about half of that 3200 watts, or half of half, so about 700 or 800 watts loads ideally to break in the brushes. So I just want to see if this thing starts. I thought I always ran it out of fuel, but it seems to have a small amount of fuel in there, so it's a little bit scary for me right now. I think it's sat 2 or 3 years. And the regular fuel with the ethanol that you get at the gas station breaks down, so I'm going to turn on the fuel and the ethanol falls out of the fuel. Turn the choke on. Here's the choke on, left, fuel on to the right. I'm going to give it the first pull in a few years. Up for a minute. Just check the oil before I start. To check the oil, you take this little screw dipstick out, and it's actually shockingly dirty, in my opinion, for only having a couple, probably 3 gallons run through it. Like I said, I wanted to run it every year, but I really forgot about running it every year. I'm happy it starts up still. And then once it warms up for a minute, I'll take the choke off and put the load on. To add some Marvel mystery oil for the Starbright fuel. There's some oils that get from that ethanol decay, ethanol in the water, and the Marvel, maybe like an ounce a gallon, will help a little bit with the corrosion and functions up in the carburetor, but that Starbright is actually the best way to get rid of ethanol fouling problem from sitting, because it disperses the ethanol evenly, in theory, in the fuel. does have something in that carburetor. I'll have to take that bowl off and clean it out. Right here, it's the bowl. I probably should have drained the bowl at least, but I totally forgot to even run it out of fuel, is what it looks like. Thanks for watching.